Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, we are back in the dining room and we're also in the kitchen. I will be making a delicious summer salad, and then we'll be back in the dining room and I'll share with you a beautiful summer tablescape. So let's go ahead and get into the video and let me share some of my recent finds. All right guys, so this first item is for my dining room. Now, it didn't make it here in time for the dining room reveal a couple weeks ago, so I'm going to reveal it in today's video along with my summer tablescape. Now, this is a 6-foot faux olive tree by the brand ReaLead, and they sent this tree over for me to reveal. And I really do like the tone of the olive leaves. I think they have a very realistic look, as well as the branches and the trunk. Now, the tree was really easy to put together. You simply align and insert the upper and lower part of the trunk according to the label. And then you just gently adjust the branches and achieve the desired fullness, and you're good to go. Now, after seeing the tree in my home, I really feel like I would have liked a taller tree. So I'm going to look for a larger planter that I can place this tree in to elevate it to give the illusion of a taller tree. So I want to thank ReaLead for sending over the tree, and I will leave all of the information in the description box below. So next, I picked up this planter from Walmart, and this is by the brand Mainstay. I placed a couple of lifts inside to give the tree a little height. And then I'll just top it off with a little moss. Okay guys, stick with me just a little bit longer. I'm going to take you into the kitchen and share a few more items that I picked up and share the summer salad with you in case you're looking for a quick and easy salad for this weekend. And then I'll reveal the summer tablescape in the dining room. So I stopped in Burlington's, and surprisingly, I found a few items. I picked up 2 beverage containers, and I love lemon water, so I knew this would be great for my lemon water. I can make both in the morning, drink one throughout the day, and have one ready for dinner. And I can also use them when I'm entertaining for different juices. So I would like to pick up a few more. So next, I picked up these dinner bowls, and I love the color blue. I have been looking for this color. I love the pattern. They only had 2, but that's okay. There's only 2 of us here. I thought they would be great for a large salad or rice bowls. They're nice and wide, and we can layer our ingredients. I like to keep them out on the counter so that they're easy to get to. And I also picked up 2 more in white. So next, I picked up 2 sets of 4-piece coffee mugs. And they're not just for coffee. You can use them for dessert or even fruit or a fruit salad. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. So hang on with me a little bit longer, and I'm going to share this fruit salad with you after my next items. And that will be the last item. Okay, so this last item is a food storage tray. And this can be used to store your food indoors or outdoors. It's great for picnics, or if you're just out on your deck and you want to enjoy your food and keep the bugs away. Okay guys, let's go ahead and make this watermelon salad. You're going to start out with your watermelon chunks, blueberries, raspberries, lime juice from a medium lime, the zest of a lime, fresh mint. Then you're going to drizzle olive oil, and just to drizzle, well, use as much as you like, but not too much. And then you're going to put your feta cheese, and all of these items you just use to taste. Use your own judgment, and you might use more or less. And then you'll sprinkle a little bit of chili lime, and then you'll toss. Now, this is not a sweet salad. This is more of a savory salad. They call it a Mediterranean salad. I would have it with dinner as opposed to a dessert. Alright, so you guys know I have a neutral color palette. So I'm going to show you how to take your neutral color palette, add a little pizzazz without doing too much, and impress your guests at the same time. Are you ready? And all it's going to take is one item. Are you ready? Now, before, my dining room was inspired by my artwork, which was inspired by the sky and the sea. And so I brought in those colors of the sky, not so much the sunshine, but the sunset and the color of the sea. And I loved it because it was very calming. But now I wanted to add a little color that said summer. And so I thought, let's add a little punch of yellow. And that's what I brought in the lemons. And the lemons represent the sunshine. It's a pop of color without doing too much. And I think I can handle this. Is because if you've been with my channel for a while, you know I cannot handle too much color. I'll try color, but if it's too saturated, I have to take it out. It does not last long. I might put it in for a video, but I'm telling you guys, once the video is over, I can't take it and I have to take it out. I try. Trust me, I try color. So if you guys think my house is boring because I don't use a lot of color, trust me, I try adding color. It just doesn't work with who I am. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you were inspired by something you saw in today's video. Even if it wasn't for this upcoming weekend holiday, maybe you were inspired to set a table for an upcoming summer event. No matter the situation, do something special for yourself and enjoy the rest of your summer. If you like today's video and you are not a subscriber, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. I record videos once a week, and I would love it if you would become a member of the Decorating with Barbara family. And for everyone else, thank you so much for joining me. each and every week that you tune in. I definitely couldn't do this without you. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I hope to see you at my next video. Bye-bye. Happy 4th.